Hello there, we'll be creating a logo for today. For that, just scroll down until you see Marketing Materials and then click on Logo. So the size of the logo is going to be 500 pixels by 500 pixels. There are different logo templates on the left, so let's just choose one. We can change the background color by clicking on the background anywhere here and then click the color picker. So just click this and then choose the color that you want. For example, we want a different color for this particular design. Therefore, just click here on the plus sign. But if we don't like any of these colors, you can also change the colors of the elements here. This can be blue, green and orange. Just pick one. You can see here there's a green, blue and orange, so we can change this. So again, we can also change the text. Just click the text and just change it. Alright, now let's look at another example here. Let's just scroll down and use another logo. For example, this one. Now let's just choose this one here and then click replace. So you can see here the elements, you can resize it, you can make it bigger or smaller. For example, let's click at this light bulb and then you can see here it can be dark. So you can just hover your mouse over it and then drag it. After that, you can change its color. Now go to color picker and change the color. You can see there are different colors. Just click on it and then change it to any color you would like. Next, let's try another example. And for that, let's go here. Click on it and then click replace. So again, you can change the color of this element. Just click on it and then go to color picker. But in this example, we're going to delete this because we're going to upload a custom graphic. Yes, on Canva, you can also upload custom graphics. So we're going to upload a custom graphic. So just click here on the upload section on the left. Click that and then click upload your own images. Then choose the image you want to upload. Then just drag the image over here. So now you can see it's too big for this template. So let's just resize that and make it smaller. We can also change the background. Just click this white background and we're going to change it to any color that you want, but now we're going to keep it white. So once we're happy with design, just click here on download, but now you're going to see different file sizes. You can download your graphics as PDF or JPEG and PNG. Generally for logo, we need a PNG background. PNG basically means a transparent background. Why we need a transparent PNG background? As you can see, this is transparent PNG on the left section, and here on the right, this is not transparent PNG. So if we change the color, here is just an example, you'll see that it has transparent. It changes to any color. It is transparent. It is adjustable, but this one here is not transparent. You see the difference? It always stays the same color. Remember, a logo with a transparent background can be crucial to having professional level designs and ads. It gives you more options of where you can place your logo and allows for a polished look for the end product. So if you have a website and you want to change the colors of your website, it is so much easier to do with a transparent PNG because it will adjust quickly to any background color you need. But if you don't have a transparent logo, then color will always stay the same. So you can see here the transparent follows the color of that background. So now, again, scroll to the download section and choose PNG. But we cannot click here. If we try to click the transparent background, we cannot choose this option. Why? Because Canva says to get transparent backgrounds, you need to use Canva for Work. Well, this means you have to purchase Canva for Work, which is $12.95 per user per month. So if you only want to use free Canva, you cannot change it to transparent background, right? Therefore, if you don't want to pay a monthly fee, what you can do is opt for a 30-day free trial. So let's go back here and start our 30-day free trial. Remember, transparent background is mainly important for logos. Most of the time, you don't need it. That's why you might be okay with free Canva if your designs won't involve logo design. When you sign up for 30 days trial, they will also remind you 3 days before about your trial end date. So my advice is, if you're not going to use the transparent background anywhere else except for one particular logo, then just keep using free version of Canva unless you want to opt in for 30 days trial, and then you can cancel it 3 days before the trial ends. Now, we're using Canva for Work with 30 days trial. So let's click here. Let's get started and set your color. So now just click here. Let's upload logo and then click continue. Alright, so now let's click download and choose PNG. And now you can choose transparent background. Just click transparent background and then click download. So this is now our logo, downloaded. And you can see how to create a transparent logo in Canva. And I'll show you later how to cancel your free trial. But if you want to continue using premium version of Canva, that's fine. It's worth it at the end of the day, as it's just $12, but you will have extra useful features.